Hi everyone. I just want to quickly show you how the levels we marked early in the morning, how they worked and what will be the fresh levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So right now you are seeing Nifty 5-minute chart on my screen. So the levels which we marked today were these two supply zones we have marked before the market. This was one zone and this was the another zone. So basically, we mark these two zones in the morning. And if you see, market went exactly to the supply area. And from there, we have seen nice rejection. And later again, it went back to the supply area. And once the sell orders has been taken out here, later it went much high. See, the way we need to trade these levels is let me place the entry here. And even if I put some wiggle little above the supply, like let's say 19-20 points above, now the target, so when I'm taking risk of 20 points, the reward should be 1:1.5 or 1:2. So right now we are taking risk of 20 points. Now the target should be at least 30 to 40 points. Now, if you see in this trade, this has given almost your 1:2 trade. The moment price came here to the supply area, from there we have seen nice rejection, which gave like 1:2 trade. Yes, there could be chance it can go much lower, but how you want to trade that? When you see this 1:2, either you can book half quantity, or what you can do, you can move your SL to the buy price and you can leave it. In case of reversal, there will be nothing that you can lose. But if you see our last previous videos and all, our overall bias was little bit positive. That is the reason we don't have to keep on trailing on these things. Like these are just like 5 minutes levels. You need to make like quick scalping 30-40 points. In Nifty, 40 points is a very good trade for intraday. So that is how you need to trade and understand the logic, like what is the supply area, what is the demand area, basically how many times I can trade the same level and all. What happens here? This means we are expecting some sell orders to be placed in this range. When price go there, we are expecting someone will start selling from that area. So that is what happened. When there is strength in buying, when the price go back to the supply area, and if it stay there for little longer time, all the sell orders will be completely done, and then the price will start moving up. See, today I could not post any of my personal trades because I don't see any nice levels. There were some risky trades. That is the reason I encourage everyone to learn chart reading and to see like how to find levels and all, so that you can trade on your own. Once you analyze the risk and all, then you can trade things on your own. Here in this, if you see, it went exactly to the previous high. From there, we have seen some rejection, and later it moved higher from this level, and see exactly where it is facing resistance, the above level. We marked these two levels this morning, and first one it gave nice 1:2 trade. And as this is like this supply reached almost at 3 o'clock, we don't normally trade after 2:45 3 o'clock unless we see very great opportunity. So that is what happened in Nifty. Let me remove these tools and let me see what will be the levels for tomorrow. These two are the supply and demand levels. So tomorrow, if you see price sustaining above 17,500, it can definitely go to much higher levels. Immediately again, it may face some resistance around here, around 530 and all. You can ignore this. Once this level has been taken out, we can see a nice movement like till 17,600, something like that. Only if price sustains above 17,500. And on the lower side, the levels are like very far away. Maybe on the lower side, you can, tomorrow you need to see like where the market is going to open. Maybe then you can try to take some trend line help and all. And if price go below the trend line, then you can try to do some small intraday trades accordingly. Basically, the point is the demand zone is very far away in Nifty. Let me quickly take a look on Bank Nifty. So this is the Bank Nifty chart, and if you remember, this is how I posted this morning, and I put some arrow mark. If the price sustain here, the price can go till 40,600 650 levels. If you see, as expected, the price moved. The movement was not so fast, but it is like very slow movement, and eventually it went to the supply area. There it faced a lot of resistance over there, and again in the second bounce also it got simply struck in that supply area. I have also taken pivot points help to see, like, how we can make some trades in Bank Nifty. I clearly said around this area, when the price came here close to these pivot points, I said once it go above, the doors will be open for much higher targets of 40,900 levels. But at least we can expect this middle range where we can book the profit. It went little high. From there it came low. Again, it tried to go little high. So at least, even though it didn't reach, or it didn't give us the movement as we expected, at least we are on the side of calls and we were never on the put side. We didn't make any wrong choice on that. So that is on Bank Nifty. Let us look on Nifty. See, even in Bank Nifty, for intraday scalpers, it has given some nice indications at some point. At least with few of my friends, I have shared this. This was when it has broken, we tried to enter some put and we captured some points. It's a kind of scalping trade. So like that, you can make some trades during the day. So according to the supply and demand, the levels are far away for tomorrow. If you see on the upside, the level is almost around 41,000. On the lower side, the demand area is around 40,150. So tomorrow it will be hard to trade Bank Nifty based on supply and demand. So you may have to rely on price action. Tomorrow, in case if the price go below this level, 40,390 or 40,400 levels, then there is a chance market can go till 40,100. And if price on the upside, if you see price sustaining above 40,770 levels, something like that, you can expect at least the first target of 40,900, and then 40,000, 41,080, something like that. So we don't have like extreme ranges of 300, 400 points. This is how the market is having hurdles around every 200-300 points. We just need to respect the levels and we need to trade accordingly. These are the levels for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And as I said, on the lower side, if you see price going below this 40,380, 350 level, easily it can move down another 200, 300 points. And even if you see a strong move below 41,000, there is another level around 39,700. I'm not expecting that huge moves for tomorrow. So those are the levels for tomorrow. I hope it will help you with your trading for tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.